What if an AI became smarter than every human on Earth combined? That's the idea behind artificial superintelligence, or ASI. Artificial superintelligence refers to a hypothetical AI that exceeds human intelligence in every field: science, creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making. While AGI matches human intelligence, ASI goes far beyond it, learning faster, thinking deeper, and discovering solutions humans may never find.
ASI could help cure diseases, solve climate problems, and unlock technologies that transform our future. But many experts warn that ASI could become difficult to control if its goals don't align with human values. Artificial superintelligence doesn't exist yet, but it could become the most powerful technology in history. Are we ready for it?